Welcome to the Queezers. Are you ready for the toughest decisions of your life? Then let's play Would You Rather Hardest Choices Ever. If you're new here, subscribe to our channel for more games just like this. Let's start. Would you rather eat a bowl of flour or drink a glass of vinegar? Would you rather feel the burn of a chili pepper or the freeze of an ice cube? Would you rather eat a raw egg or drink a glass of expired milk? Would you rather walk on broken glass or walk on hot coals? Would you rather talk 24/7 or never speak again? Would you rather brush your teeth with hot sauce or squeeze lemon juice in your eye? Would you rather never celebrate your birthday or have to comment your birthday on every social media post? Would you rather have ants crawling on your skin or flies constantly buzzing in your face? Would you rather climb a mountain or swim in a frozen lake? Would you rather sing in public or dance in public? Would you rather be immortal but feel alone or live 50 years surrounded by loved ones? Would you rather say goodbye to sweets forever or give up burgers and fries? Would you rather have no more holidays or only be able to give quick thumbs up reactions? Would you rather have cockroaches in your house or rats in your house? Would you rather live without a mirror or live without a TV? Would you rather have a talking pet or an all in one robot? Would you rather move around by jumping or move around by crawling? Would you rather have a standout mustache or extra expressive eyebrows? Would you rather live surrounded by noise or not be able to make any noise? Would you rather have very long hair or a specific haircut for life? Would you rather never see your friends again or never see your family again? Would you rather wake up at 3 a.m. every day or go to bed at 6 p.m. every day? Would you rather lose your wealth or lose everything you own? Would you rather be barefoot and carefree or stylish but struggling? Would you rather see ghosts or hear scary voices? Would you rather never be able to lie again or always have to lie? Would you rather always be cold or always be hot? Would you rather have smelly armpits or bad breath? Would you rather get a paper cut or have a blister on your ankle? Would you rather have white hair or freckles? Would you rather have more homework or fewer vacations? Would you rather never be able to laugh again or never be able to smile again? Would you rather always tell your parents the truth or break an arm? Would you rather go on this ride or go on this slide? Would you rather embrace big ears or embrace a prominent nose? Would you rather never need to sleep or never need to eat? Would you rather sleep with a spider or sleep with a snake? Would you rather be on a plane during a storm or be on a boat during a storm? Would you rather live large or stay small? Would you rather watch Titanic on repeat or watch Titanic on repeat? Would you rather lose the internet forever or lose one leg? Would you rather kick back and play video games or watch movies all night? Would you rather have a spaceship or a submarine? Would you rather have a robot or a spaceship? Would you rather deal with tiny rocks in your shoes or walk on burning sand? Thanks for watching. Pick your next challenge and make sure to like and subscribe.